Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to teach you guys on 5 practical ways you can do to enhance the speed of your PC. Mostly people find themselves in a situation whereby their PC is very laggy, very slow, applications are not opening and a whole lot of issues are popping up. You face major problems and the PC runs very slow like that of a tortoise. No need to worry, today I have you and I'm going to teach you on 5 practical ways you can do to enhance the speed of your PC or your laptop. Option number 1 is disabling startup icons. So there are applications on your PC that starts up when you turn on your PC. These applications, some of them are not necessary to start up with a PC, therefore we need to turn them off or disable them. And in doing this, you need to head to your taskbar, which is beneath, and then you right click. There is an option, it gives you two options, which says that task manager and taskbar settings. You choose the task manager. So this is the same as compared to Windows 10 and then Windows 11. I'm running the Windows 11 right now, but it's the same procedure on the Windows 10 as well. So it gives us this interface. Mostly people will find their task manager looking this way with the listings over here saying processes performance being hidden. So you just need to click on these three lines over here to open it up. So this is what you see, and we have a lot of tabs at the right saying the processes performance and all of that, but we are only interested in where it says that startup items or startup applications. So this is the startup application section. So when I click on the startup application on the right side, which is here, there are a lot of applications right here that is listed for me. So these applications are applications that start up with my system when I turn on the system automatically by themselves. And this is how the applications are programmed. Some of them are programmed to run at the startup, so you need to disable the unnecessary ones that you do not need. So that this is a caution, this should be a caution. There is no need for you to turn off applications that are necessary, but you only turn or disable startup applications that are not really necessary for your system or for your personal usage. So I have several applications, as you can see. I have disabled, and some enabled, which means that some of the applications I want my PC to start up with them. It's mostly people, when you turn on your PC, you just find yourself that most applications are opening up by themselves. So those applications are part of the startup items. That is why when you turn on your PC, you just notice that they just pop up. Sometimes applications like Spotify, ChatGPT, and other applications. So you just see them immediately. You turn on your PC, they just pop up on the screen, just like it's just like you launched them by yourself, but you did not. So the reason why they are happening that way is they are part of the startup item. So you check in here, you go through the applications that are not necessary for you, you disable them. And this is how you can disable. So you click on the application that you want, and there is disabled right here at the top, the right top corner here. So you click on disable and it disables it. Option number 2 is uninstalling unused applications. So mostly people have a lot of applications on their PC that they are not using, which are not necessary or important for the PC, the health of the PC at that moment. So if you have a PC whereby you have a lot of applications installed, a lot of games, meanwhile the PC is not meeting the required specifications to run such applications, I am pleading with you that you uninstall those kind of applications. You just need to go to your start menu, you type in there control. So we are heading to the control panel. I have my pin here, so I just need to click on it, control panel. It opens up the control panel, and then I go to the programs and features section. So this section lists the entire applications that are installed on my PC. So you go through the applications over here, and those that are not necessary for you on the PC, you uninstall them. So to uninstall, you just need to click. Let's say I want to uninstall this Battle.net. I click on it. I get a pop-up notification over here saying that uninstall/change. So I click on that and I follow the procedures over there to uninstall it. Option number 3 is disk cleanup. So we are going to clean the disk. It's just like a home. You are in your home and then you are performing a personal hygiene, cleaning your house, cleaning your room, so that your room can be free from rodents or maybe pests or maybe whatever insects and all of that. So it's the same thing that we are doing to the PC. So when you do this disk cleanup, it cleans up junk files, stem files, and other files that are hidden inside your PC that are not necessary, but they are running and they are eating up resources. So in doing this, we have a shortcut way that we can do this to clean up the disk. So in doing this, you need to long press and hold on your Windows key, and then you press R to open the run box. So this is the run box, and you need to type in there a command called clean mgr. So we type in there clean mgr, and then we hit enter. So when you hit enter, it gives you this pop-up, and then you hit enter again, or okay, you click on okay, it gives you this pop-up again showing 2 items ticked over here. So these 2 items here, you can see that it has temp files and other applications over there. So you can see that 2 things have been checked over here. So downloaded program files and also temp files or temp internet files. So over here, mostly things that I use this disk cleanup to clean is the temp files, because those the items in the temp files are not really necessary. So they are just junk files that are eating our resources on your PC. So mostly, and the downloaded files are just the items in your download folder. So you just click on this PC, your download. So this is the download folder that is going to delete the items, and I don't want the disk cleanup to tamper with these items over here. So I'll just leave it as it is, and I'll just check the temp folder. So this is the temp folder. As for the temp files, it's necessary for you to be cleaning them regularly, because stuff running is just like a hide base where it stores a little bit of processes that you've been running on the PC. So applications that you open up on your PC, games you play, a lot of things that you do, it just hides a bit of them somewhere else. It's just like a savings, which is not necessary for the PC's health. So you just need to clean them, and then the PC can be having enough resource to run very fast. So after that, you check the temp folder, and then you click on OK. It says that delete files in there, and then you just need to click on delete. I've already cleaned mine, so there's no need for me to do it again. And then option number 4 is upgrading your RAM. So mostly people are running PCs with a lower based RAM inside the PC, especially RAM sizes like 4 gig RAMs, 2 gig RAM, 1 gig RAM is very not required for your PC, because one, the operating system in which you are using on the PC, either being Windows 10 or Windows 11, needs about 8 gig and above to run very smoothly. So most people are running Windows 10 OS and Windows 11, but they are using 4 gig RAM. Mostly it will work out. You see the operating system on the machine, but it slows down your PC because the RAM is not enough to run the OS itself, to talk about applications on your system. So there is the need for you to physically upgrade your RAM to at least 8 GB of RAM in your PC. Option number 5, scan for malware. So there are some times or situations whereby malware can also affect your PC performance. So malware is what we mostly call virus. So there is a need for you to run a scan if you are using any antivirus, to run a scan. So I have a third-party application or a third-party antivirus over here that I use, McAfee. So you might be having yours. We have SmartApp, we have Avast, we have a whole lot of antivirus softwares over there. Depending on the one you are using, your preference, you open up and then you run a scan, a virus scan, so that this malware protection application detects malware, and then we wipe them off the PC to make the PC run very fast. So these are 5 practical ways that you can do to enhance your PC's performance. Thank you. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on post notifications, and see you in the next one. Have a good day.